We can also iterate on the elements of the two-dimensional array, just like how we have iterated through 1D array. We can also do it on a 2D array. So in this case, it is going to iterate through all the rows and display each and every element in each row. Okay. So let's first create a 2D array instead of 1D. Okay. Array of first row. Let us suppose first row contains elements like 1, 2, 3. Consider the elements in the second row are 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we can iterate using for loop and display this entire matrix or a table, which is a two-dimensional array. For x in array, and you can print this particular x. Okay. Run this code and see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first row is 1, 2, 3, and the second row is containing elements 4, 5, 6. Like this.